Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a lovely day today. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mona. Some of you might know me as Wanderdreads on Instagram. And since I'm still stuck in Germany in self-quarantine and I got kind of bored, I thought I'm gonna record a video about my favorite dreadlock hairstyles. So let's do this. Last hairstyle I wanted to show you two. I think it's super cute. I realized the light got really bad. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and had fun watching it. I had fun recording the video. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe my channel, and I see you next time whenever that is. Bye.